Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing great. I just want to share with you something that I have discovered recently in my life, and it is about the abundance. We all have so many dreams. We have so much that we really dream or desire and we want from life. I I think you would all agree that we want many things from life. The secret that I have discovered is what you want from life, start giving it to life. Yes, and this is very powerful statement. I just completely believe this that what you want from life, start giving it to life. It is true. Now, what do you want from life? You want money, you want success, you want love, you want health, you want motivation, you want happiness, you want positivity, you want so much, and the list is endless. Now, how do we give this to life? So, to explain it simply, if you are looking for love in your life, if you want that somebody should love you, or people should love you, or your family should love you, or your colleagues should love you, start giving the love. Start giving love vibes. How do we do that? It's just trying to help that particular person, trying to understand that particular person from whom you're wanting that energy. So I want love in my surrounding. Everybody wants that. Who don't want love? I think as a human, we all want love. So what I do and how it helps me is I always make sure that I send love vibes to everywhere, every person. And there could be different kind of relationship that you hold with various people. Some are good friends, some are family members, some is your person you're dating and your husband, your wife. So the intention, the heart, the core, and the feeling may vary, but the thing is that you're spreading love. A beggar comes to you and asks for money. With love, you encourage that person, काम कर ले. With that love, you give a bread to that person, खाना खा ले. So, what is it? Love is something which is very deep. It's very deep. And the person before sleeping remembers you that there was a gentleman who gave me a loaf of bread with such a connect that I am still remembering that person. And might be he doesn't think about you. People are not so deep to think about their day, that what special happened during the day. Not everybody is like that. But you did your part. Similarly to money, you want money in your life. You have enough money with you, but you still want more money in your life. So make sure that you contribute and give to the needy in any way that you can do. There are people who deduct a part from their regular salary just to offer it to the society. There are people who make sure that their workers are always financially secured when they're working with them. There are people who make sure while they're traveling and there's so many beggars around and they're helping them. There are different ways of contributing. There's different ways of giving back to the society. But when we have a heart to give, when we have a heart to sacrifice a little so that we could actually fill the heart of the other person, could help the needy, is something that life will give us. It will give us, it will expand. And there are people who are already doing this. Yeah, so there are people who are already doing this and they are mystically seeing the abundance in their life. So I would say, whatever you are earning today, whatever is that number, is it a big number or a small number according to your expectation? Try to contribute consciously. There are things that we do subconsciously. We never realize that we do it because there is no record of those things. But when you consciously do those things, you do your action, then you also see the reward is manifesting much more than your action because of the happiness that you're giving to other people, that the universe is blessing you with much more than what you have already given. And if you consciously record your efforts, you could see your growth pattern also. This I'm sharing with you because I have experienced this. Same goes with the happiness, same goes with everything. Just to tell you that you want positivity in your life, you want that people should not crib around you, you want that everybody should speak good about you, people should again love you, people should praise you, people should appreciate for your good work. All that positive things can only come when you do that. So, we always read this term give and take relationship. There has to be a give and take relationship. So, why is it give and take? Why isn't it take and give relationship? कभी सुना है take and give? It's never there. So, why it is like पहला step हमें आगे बढ़ाना है, and then just see the consequences of your right intention coming by heart consciously. Mind the words coming by heart. If anything that you do with just mind but no heart, it will never reward you. But anything that you do with a cribbing attitude, chalo de dete hai, chalo le lo, but the heart isn't there, it will never come back to you. So if you are figuring out that I do a lot for people, I do a lot, I am always there to help others, I'm always there to encourage others, it's very mechanical. Until and unless it comes by heart, it cannot give you the reward that you're looking forward to. So, the way we started is yes, whatever we want from life, start giving it to life first, and you will see a miraculous result in your life. That's it. Thank you. Sorry.